This is a Parallels virtual machine package. It usually lives on a Mac. If you see it on Windows, it's just a folder. You can look inside, but you can't run the Mac virtual machine on a PC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the contents. A quick note. Our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. The PVM file type belongs to the virtual machine file category. It is an optimized version of the Parallels virtual machine specification. A PVM file is associated with Parallels Desktop, a virtualization software that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single computer. It contains the virtual machine's configuration, virtual hard disk, and other settings. HP also uses this extension for their products. The PVM file encapsulates the entire virtual environment, enabling portability and easy deployment of virtual machines. The PVM file is essentially a container that holds all the necessary components of a virtual machine. It includes the virtual machine's BIOS, virtual hardware configurations, and the virtual disk image where the guest operating system is installed. Parallels Desktop manages the PVM file, providing tools for creating, configuring, and running virtual machines. VMware defined VMware Fusion as the application primarily intended for PVM. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows doesn't handle VM boot processes, so a virtualization engine must manage execution. Begin the search for the correct application association. Right-click the PVM file and choose Open With. Use VMware Fusion first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn PVM files. If the PVM file is still refusing to open, it's expected. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, use Parallels Desktop. Open the file using Parallels Desktop, the required application for the virtual machine bundle. Next, check integrity. Right-click the PVM file and select Verify or Repair within the Parallels Control Center. Finally, check for snapshots. If the VM won't boot, check the Snapshots menu and try reverting to the last known working state. Your tests already show the file is difficult, so it doesn't make sense to keep experimenting. The simple professional answer is to try using the single tool that aims to solve this PVM issue. The real advantage of FileMagick is its deep-level access, allowing it to read the content of your PVM file instantly, regardless of the file's extension. Get this powerful tool at filemagick.com. Wishing you the very best. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.